Assalamu alaikum dear friends, how are you all? I hope you guys doing good. So in the today's videos we will discuss about the basic terms about the candlesticks pattern, and we will discuss more detail in this. Literally one of these things or one of these bars are shown on the Bitcoin and the daily chart. One of these represents the 1 day. Now you have an open and plus you have a closed candle. So an open candle is the price prediction that the candle starts at, and at the close is the price that close finishes at. And the way you can see that is you can see the open from the previous close. So, for example, if you go back here, you can see the previous candle closed down because it's a red candle. It means it is closed down in a price. So, the bottom of the body here is where the candle closes, and just I want to show you in the picture for the better understanding. So you have the high price, which is the top of the wick, or have the top of the body. You have open price, which is the beginning of the body. Yeah, the closed price, which is the bottom of the body, and then you have the low price, which is the bottom of the wick. That's called the bearish candle, and the another one is called the bullish candle. Making the sense again, you can go it and take a look of some of the articles to really get your knowledge sorted with, and some just want to know basically if the candle is red, it's going down, and if the candle is green, that's mean it's move up. And each of these candles come in the different shapes in the forms. You can see here you have got some candles in a long wick and some has the big bodies. And what is that actually means, that is a way of the being able to see, and which of these means is usually using the candle patterns. So now I'm just gonna have a clear look on the candle pattern themselves, because the candle pattern themselves are useless. So don't go away and make a whole strategy based on the candlestick patterns. I have never seen a successful trader trading just candlestick pattern. That being said, they do just their place, and you have to use them on the confluence and edit thing right. So if you have trade that you think that's a really good trade already, but then you see there is a bullish candlestick pattern, and then you have even better trade. So let me start off telling you about the candlestick pattern. So the first one we are going to want to see is the hammer. Hammer looks like you have a top on a strong body and a wick on a downward direction, like a hammer. It's really a long one down, and it's called the bullish hammer. Now a bullish hammer usually leads to the price pushing the other way. Now to break down for you, why does it mean that? Means imagine each candlestick as a story, right? I'm telling you what the price is done, and in that way the frame. So let's say this is a daily candle, and what it shows that the price come all the way here during the day, which meant at one point, and it was really strong red candle, because remember wick is where the price has gone in the past. So actually they closed right to the upside with the price pushing as far as I can to the upside. So there is a lot of the buyers present at that level. Why is usually leads to the nice reversal of the price. So you can see at a key point of point area of a support or the resistance, and again something that we will cover in the future videos, the nice signal. And we have inverse hammer. The second one we're discussing is the inverse hammer. That is also a bullish hammer, and that is the inverse of the hammer. So where the wick is to the upside, but again it is closed bullish, still closed, but a quite nice reversal pattern. I would personally, it's not a powerful, isn't it a powerful as much as the hammer, but it's still one people uses to have the bullish engulfing. The third one is the bullish engulfing. The most important one you learn in terms of the candlesticks pattern, bullish engulfing and the bearish engulfing. That both of them are very much important, very important. And that is where you have the small candle being completely engulfed means eaten by the other candle, that is called the green candle, which is the bullish candle. The right on the bullish engulfing you have the small red candle and a big green candle. And you can see here the first candle is a short red body and a complete engulfed by a larger green candle, and leads to the massive push in the market at the key level. So this is mainly a thing. The next one is the morning star. You can see a mixture of the candles. So you have a strong body to the downside. This is an indecision candle, like a doji candle, that's called, which I'll talk you later. And we have the push up, so that this kind of the price coming down, and we are seeing an indecision, and then the price coming up again. So you are creating a story in your head. So you have a price coming down, and the buyers are thinking that you should buy the indecision, and then they come in and buy that potential direction shift. It might happen three. The next one is the three white soldiers pattern, which is again you see in just price coming down and downtrend, and then see one of the three, maybe the straight in a row. They are opposite in the pattern. They are straight in a rows, like a soldiers buying momentum and a flip down. So the bearish candlestick pattern, you have the hanging man, which if you remember, this is the opposite to the which I have told you, this is the opposite of the inverse hammer, and you can see the wicks of the upside here, and whereas here the wick is on the downside. So it is the inverse of the hammer we are seeing in the video. And the next one is the shooting star. The shooting star is the reverse of the hammer. So again, this is really the powerful pattern in my opinion. It happens at a key level, and a reversal pattern is usually a quite high possibility. A bearish engulfing pattern is another candle, which is the most powerful pattern in the candlestick patterns. So this is the evening star. The next one is opposite to the evening star. Evening star is opposite to the morning star. And the three black crows, is opposite to the three white soldiers, means they do their work in opposite direction. So the dark cloud, ever I have really don't care what are all the basically means the candlestick pattern, and the main thing I'll tell you in the chart. And we will discuss this all the candles in a daily Bitcoin chart. So wait a second. If you are seeing the Bitcoin chart, you are seeing the completely, you will recognize the candles, that is the bullish engulfing candle, and the three white soldiers, as well as not only the engulfing but also the candlestick pattern that overlap each other. And we have the 1 2 3 moves showing the price we wants to move away. So then we have a very familiar candlestick pattern here. Right now we remember this, as you can see, very similar one to the hammer. This is close to the right candle, but still have a very similar effect. However, this is actually the morning star pattern. When we have discussed in the latest video about the push down and indecision and all the things. And I'll teach you the doji candle too, different forms, but it's necessary any candle where it indecision and anything like the doji coin candle. This is the doji candle, and we were discussing this in this video. And it has the large wick and a small body. It's called the doji. Some of the types of this is usually seen in the chart pattern, and we will discuss this in a bearish mode, means the bullish. It's just an indecision that the market is pausing and it's thinking where do we want to go to next. It's pretty much good, and its potential a bearish engulfing candle we are seeing in the pattern. So this all we have discussed about the candlestick chart pattern. Hopefully you will liking my videos, because I'm making this for the basic terms or the basic candlestick pattern for the beginners. If you are new on my channel, you have to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. And if you very much appreciated my channel, so hopefully you like my videos. You can also join my Telegram channel. It's free of the cost, nothing to give, but only just to subscribe and share. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.